Other than shaving your neck and your arms or maybe your chest, the number one thing I highly recommend is shaving your butt. Now, yes, pun intended, this is a sensitive subject, but it is something that needs to be addressed. We have to remember that not only taking care of ourselves, like being hygienic, brushing our teeth, combing our hair, there are some germs, some smells, and some odors that actually can accumulate downstairs throughout the day. Now, to just get straight to the point, yes, you should and often shave downstairs and especially your butt. And that's the main subject of today's video. Now, just right off the bat, easiest way to do it is going to be a razor. Now, multi-blade more often than not is gonna work best. We gotta watch out for that subsurface shave because nobody wants pimples, bumps, cysts, or boils down there. So if that's not something that you wanna use, always go back to the safety razor, one of my favorites. But I don't want you guys using the clippers, all right? Manscaped comes out with this, which actually surprisingly enough, if you go down Manscaped's website, they actually have a multi-blade for that area, which I highly recommend. But there is a misconception of using clippers down there. That is a big no-no. Now, why am I talking about this? Well, you know, as much as I do, there can be, as I said earlier, some funk and some smell down there. And this actually eliminates not only that, but some variety of other things that can attribute to your day-to-day work. Now, just remember, hair is like a sponge, right? If you have water, moisture, or anything in between, some fecal matter, it's going to absorb into the hair, thus creating odor. So let's say my biggest pet peeve is after taking a shower, I have to go to the bathroom, right? Gotta go number 2. And what I hate is I've gotta wipe, right? And then throughout the day, I just gotta know that I took a shower and then I went to the bathroom and I gotta deal with that. But that goes back to shaving, because if I didn't shave, that actually would create a problem throughout the day. So I don't have any absorption that is, after the wipe process, it's going to stay around. And another big suggestion is maybe carry a wet wipe with you. I mean, if you're not shaving out there, surprisingly enough, in America, we don't use bidets, which I don't have a preference of one or the other. But man, once you do have it, it's tough to go back. I mean, I know Japan, Europe, and all the other countries love them. I mean, Japan's got rocket ships when it comes to bidets. But at the end of the day, yeah, I'm weird. And it's a little bit of a lifestyle. And just to kind of go on a little bit of a tangent, it was weird going into junior high and high school knowing that the swim team would shave their arms for less drag, hence getting a better performance out of their body. But as I have grown up and actually gone into other sports, I have found that us as humans don't really need the body hair as much as we have clothes, being indoors, and a lot of insulation around us. It just doesn't seem, like we need it anymore. But with that, if you go out to a campfire and you sit next to it, you're gonna smell like smoke, AKA your hair and your skin is going to absorb it. So this goes back to why shave, why trim. For me, it's a lifestyle, because not only do I train jiu-jitsu, not only do I sweat a lot, not only do I work a lot, but yes, we do defecate, we do go to the bathroom, and I just don't want that smell lingering around. Now, first off the bat, the pros is when it comes to wiping afterwards, it's pretty much a 1-2 and you're done. I love that part of it. Number 2 that I like is going to be the odor gets eliminated. You'd actually be surprised, even throughout the day, nighttime, workouts, not even going to the bathroom. Surprisingly enough, it does eliminate a lot of the odor. Third, surprisingly enough, is the underwear fit. So you might get a wedgie or 2 more, but what I don't like is getting snags. So the longer you let your hair grow out, the more easier it is to snag. If that's riding a bicycle, if it's stretching out, those hairs can pull, tear, and give you a really bad pinch. And for me, there's only one big con: the shave itch. Now, after you shave your butt and your tuchus, right, after about a day or 2, the hair starts growing out, and what do you get? Some itch, and that is the hair rubbing against the cheek, and it's actually easy to alleviate, and what we're gonna use is either lotion, or what I like is that liquid powder. That's been one of the best things to use that I like, because, I live here in Houston, and it does get a little hot and muggy. So I wanted to give you guys this subject to talk about, because we don't, as men, talk about this, and women too. Funny enough, yes, we do shave our frontal regions, but it's the back regions that are actually as important, and sometimes more, because for me, I want to be nice, clean, and well kept, because not only for my partner, but for my colleagues and everything, I want to look nice and fresh. That's why I'm always like, I totally just did it. Yeah, we're not there. So give things a try. It's always nice to do something new, and you never know, you might like it or, go back to the old ways. It's up to you. So with that, you guys, appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the flip side. See ya!